What if you could create an entire YouTube video, voiceover, visuals, editing and all, in just a few minutes using nothing but AI? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Pictory.ai, a cutting-edge AI video generator, to create professional, faceless YouTube videos. Fast. And yes, people are using this tool to go viral and grow channels without ever picking up a camera. Pictory.ai is an AI-powered video creation platform designed for content creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs. It takes your script, blog post, or even a Zoom call and automatically turns it into a fully edited video. This is a game changer if you're building a faceless YouTube channel, creating YouTube Shorts, or launching content at scale. Let me walk you through how simple this process is. First, you input your script, or let the AI summarize a blog post or article. Pictory then auto-generates scenes, selects relevant stock footage, adds transitions, and even provides AI voiceovers. You can customize everything: text, visuals, branding, even background music. It's like having a personal video editor on autopilot. Watch this. I'm going to paste in a short script, and Pictory immediately generates a full storyboard, complete with royalty-free visuals. I can drag and drop scenes, adjust the voiceover tone, and within minutes, boom, it's ready to export in HD. No editing software, no technical skills. Now let's get real. Can AI videos like these actually go viral? Absolutely. If you pair this tool with strong scripts, trending topics, and solid SEO, you can hit the algorithm just right. Channels in the finance, motivation, and tech niches are scaling fast using tools like this. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Checkmark pros. No editing experience needed, extremely fast production, royalty-free visuals and music, great for shorts and faceless content. Cons, voiceovers are still AI. Good but not perfect. Occasional irrelevant visuals you'll want to tweak. Branding options are limited on the lower tier plans. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below with AI if you want more content like this. Until next time, keep creating smarter, not harder.